Do you want it? Do you want it? Do you want it? Help me. Help me. Help me. Help yourself. Help yourself. Help yourself. How have you been? How have you been? How have you been? How is life? How is life? How is life? How is your family? How is your family? How is your family? Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? I agree. I agree. I agree. I agree with you. I agree with you. I agree with you. I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. No problem. No problem. No problem. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Not too bad. Not too bad. Not too bad. Nothing. 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 Of course. Of course. Of course. See you later. See you later. See you later. I'm looking for work. I'm looking for work. I'm looking for work. I'm lost. I'm lost. I'm lost. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. Do you want something? Do you want something? Do you want something? It's a pleasure to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. Could you please tell me? Could you please tell me? Could you please tell me? Do you know? Do you know? Do you know? Do you know English? Do you know English? Do you know English? Do you have any idea? Do you have any idea? Do you have any idea? What can you recommend? What can you recommend? What can you recommend? Sorry, I can't help you. Sorry, I can't help you. Sorry, I can't help you. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? Please, wake me up. Please, wake me up. Please, wake me up. See you next time. See you next time. See you next time. Please, have a seat. Please, have a seat. Please, have a seat. Do you need my help? Do you need my help? Do you need my help? I was busy yesterday. I was busy yesterday. I was busy yesterday. I speak English every day. I speak English every day. I speak English every day. I went to the bank. I went to the bank. I went to the bank. Stop talking and listen to me. Stop talking and listen to me. Stop talking and listen to me. I need some time to think. I need some time to think. I need some time to think. I'm too busy at the moment. I'm too busy at the moment. I'm too busy at the moment. He got angry. He got angry. He got angry. Wash your face. Wash your face. Wash your face. You look sick. You look sick. You look sick. Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses.